So we're back with a brand new product. Once again, we are checking out a Poly product. Now this is Plantronics. We worked with HP. They merged together and they created a new company called Poly, specifically for their high-end audio products as well as cameras. And this is a speaker. This is their next in line for the PolySync. We actually had the PolySync before, but we actually now have the PolySync 20 Plus. We'll talk a little bit about how this is different than the last PolySync. First and foremost, let's open this up. Nice little pull tab on there. Very helpful. Okay, opens up. And then first and foremost, they have a little dongle here. That is for easy, fast connection to your device. We have a little guide here, as well as a thing saying certified for Microsoft Teams. Press the Microsoft Teams button to interact with Microsoft Teams. Application required when not on call. It's nice. And then I love this bag that they keep for this. We got an arm lanyard for the device, and then a USB to USB-C connector as well. Really solid. So right off the bat, this is the speaker. You've got the rocket button that can be customized with the Poly app. The Teams button requires the Teams. You got the up and down on audio. Sorry, down and up, which is a mute button, and then a call button. On the back side here, we have the traditional Poly cord that wraps around. This is where the adapter is going to plug into, but this is in case you want to hardwire this directly to a computer or to your phone. Really good option there. Base port on the bottom as well. And then another new addition is these features here. This is your Bluetooth button and your power on button. The other models did not have that before. And then that is a USB in. Which I'm slightly at a loss for. Yeah, holding that button would turn it off if there's any juice, but there isn't any. And this button here would activate and syncing Bluetooth. So this one actually charges up and stores your juice for your connectivity. And so actually what I found out, this port here is specifically for charging your phone. So you can plug your phone cord into this and use it as a battery pack as well, which is really solid. Also, until you set this up, this is just going to be your pause and play button, but that can be set up with the Poly Lens app that you can get on Android and iPhone. So let's take this and let's set this up so you can actually hear some audio from it. And then we will show you, so let's take this, let's set this up, and let's play some music for you so you can hear the quality of the Sync 20. We'll be back. Thank you so much. So let's take this, let's set this up so you can hear some music. We're going to play a little bit of Vivaldi so you can really get the qualities, ups and lows of it, and then we'll be right back. So another really cool thing before we go, if you want, I'm just storing the adapter, the dongle in here for now, but you can just put this right back in the bag. And then another really cool feature of this bag is there is a little slot here. You can take this USB-A to USB-C adapter, and you can slide it in there, and you can hold all the parts inside this pouch, safe and secure, when you take this on the go, to your friend's house, to work, and home again. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. Hopefully pick this up for the friend in your life or for yourself if you need it. And then we'll be seeing you on your next Teams call, I guess, then. Bye.